road. This is a long village road.
Bicycle. I see a beautiful bicycle. Ride. She is riding a bicycle. Bell. The bicycle has a loud bell. Wheel. The wheel goes round and round.
Bus! Look at the big yellow bus! On!
People get on the bus.
Go! The bus is going fast!
Car. A shiny red car.
Beep, beep. Mirror. I can see myself in the mirror.
Motorbike. The motorbike is very fast.
Red light. Red means stop.
Green light. Green means
Go. Cross. Cross the road safely.
Train! A very long train! Engine! The engine is very strong.
Wave. Wave to the people. Bridge. The train is under the bridge. Airplane. The airplane is in the sky. Sky. The airplane is far away in the sky. Helicopter. Look at the helicopter.
boat. A small boat in the water.
Key. Use the key to start the car.
Market. A bustling village market.
Tomato. Red and round tomatoes. Cabbage. Big green cabbages.
Carrot. 1, 2, 3 carrots.
It's purple.
Eggplant. A long purple eggplant. Corn. Yellow and sweet corn.
Flowers. So many beautiful flowers.
It smells sweet.
Rose. A beautiful red rose.
Toy. Look at all the toys. Ball. A round blue ball.
Robot. A small silver robot.
She is pretty.
Doll. A pretty girl doll.
Skateboard. He is on a skateboard.
Roll. The wheels roll fast.
Bench. Sit on the park bench. Sit. Let's sit and rest. The water is cool. Fountain. Look at the water fountain.
Picnic. A happy village picnic.
It's sweet.
Cake. A yummy chocolate cake. Juice. Orange and sweet juice.
Spoon and fork. Use them to eat.
Balloon. Many colorful balloons.
Fly away. The balloon flies away.
Chase. Chase the balloons.
School. Children go to school.
Book. Read a magic book.
Write. Use a pencil to write.
Draw. Draw a big circle.
Bag. A small school bag.
Teacher. Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Robin.
Slide. Let's go down the slide.
That was fun. Swing. Higher and higher.
Seesaw. Up and down on the seesaw.
Clock. What time is it?
Letter. Put a letter in the box.
Envelope. A white and small envelope.
Doctor. The doctor.
The doctor helps everyone.
Healthy.
I am strong and
Healthy. Fire truck. A big red fire truck.
Sirens. Wee-woo. Police car. To help and protect.
Whistle. Blow the whistle loud.
Goodbye. Time to go back to the forest. Home. Let's go home together.
Forest. Our beautiful green forest.
Happy.
I love my home.
Wave. Wave goodbye to our friends.
Sunset. The sky is so pretty.
Today.
Hey, we learned so much.
Today.
Friendship.
We are the best of friends.
Sleep. Good night, everyone.
End of chapter 7.